This is Nancy with Fix This House, and I'm just here with a quick tip about how I do laundry for some items, such as these fluffy type polyester blankets that we use for our Airbnb. So here's my GE UltraFresh. I believe it's a 650 model washing machine. Here's the dryer that goes with it. We have them stacked, and I just washed these two blankets. I believe this one's a little bit more like a throw, and the other one should be at least a queen or a king size. And I washed them last night on a normal light cycle with cold water on high, not the max, just so I'd be pretty sure they'd spin out. Now, if I were to transfer both of these into my dryer and dry them together, they would end up, here's the other one, they would end up bunching together real tightly and rolling around in a ball and not drying. So the way that I dry these is I put them in individually. I know it seems like it's extra work, but putting them in individually and then changing the setting to a timed dry. Over here, we hit the timer button and switch it to 20 minutes. And I'm pretty sure that 20 minutes for this thing and in the dryer will be faster than putting 2 in for an auto dry. When you put 2 in together for an auto dry, for something that's lightweight like this, the outer edges of it tend to dry up, and then it says that it's dry. It thinks that it's dry if you're doing the normal or a mixed load or a quick load option. It thinks it's dry when it's not. So I'm going to be putting this in for 20 minutes. That's usually what works for me. And whoops, one time, there we go. And that should do it. So what I recommend is that you put them in for 20 minutes separately. You could try 10 if it's, super dry or a smaller item. And that's my hint of the day. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, please write them down below. Thanks.